We're in downtown Gresham. We just got done having amazing Mediterranean food at Nicholas. I am so impressed.
I am too. I can't wait to go into this little abode, though.
I know. They have everything. That's why I think this is going to be a multi-parter as far as video.
For sure.
They have Jazzy's Bagels, M&M Restaurant, which is like a great diner. We just got done with Nicholas, like I said. You just pointed out there's a margarita factory up there. I mean, there's so much.
We've got to show them all the street art, too. I mean, this is incredible.
One of the reasons why we are in downtown Gresham is because...
Drum roll.
We have a listing that is actually going live this week. We're going to be having an open house this weekend, Saturday and Sunday from 2 to 4 p.m. The property is a split level that has been meticulously updated, and it is just fabulous.
Oh my gosh, and they have a sport court, and it's in a great neighborhood. I mean, this is huge.
It's amazing. So one of the things as we like to do is just not only introduce the properties, but we love to give you the lifestyle and the area that they are in. I was able to go to the Gresham Farmers Market last weekend, but I didn't have time to look around. So I definitely want to get some shots of that. Mm-hmm. And it's actually a hot day. So I think what we want to do, Veronica, is escape to Multnomah Falls.
Yes.
All right, let's head over to Multnomah Falls and do some scenic rolls on the way there. Sound good?
Giddy up. I can't wait.
Cool. We don't have our mics. Okay, we're back here.
Hi.
Get out of here, Face Track. Okay, so we took a little detour. We had to on the way to Multnomah Falls. Let's get in a shot together. I wish it would stop moving with us, but anyway.
It's hot.
I know it's hot, but we had to stop at the Corbett Country Market because it's absolutely adorable. We didn't want to talk inside and make it awkward, so we're just going to do it right now. You want to go in?
I'm going to get a slushie.
All right.
Too hot.
It is hot. It's really
look
hot.
How cute this is.
I know. I can't wait. Okay. Awesome.
We got more.
Cool. Oh my gosh. Look at this fabulous barbecue. Never. I've never been here before in my life. I didn't even know this existed. I'm not from this Pacific Northwest. I don't know anything.
No, but you know, I mean, I didn't know about this either.
Look at how gorgeous. Are you okay? I know you're not really keen on heights.
So great.
So we took a detour We were gonna go to Multnomah Falls first, but one of the gals over at the country store said we should come here. What do you think?
I'm so glad we did.
It's about 20 degrees cooler up here.
For sure. And the hike up was very subtle. It wasn't that rough.
Well, you're in heels too, which is so impressive.
Well, we'll see if I get down.
Okay. Oh my goodness. We have a 4-mountain view here. Mount Jefferson, Mount Hood, Mount Adams, and Mount Rainier.
The Twin Peaks.
And they say that all of our mountains are having volcano activity.
Yes.
So they might all blow.
Hey, don't shoot.
I won't.
One single-handed
I know.
destroys all of Oregon tourism.
All right. I'll have B-roll of this. And then we can head down.
Car?
Yeah, it's from the Tesla being open, so. All right, what are we doing? We want to say goodbye.
We're going to say goodbye, but first we're going to share
Spinellas.
the user manual of this wonderful establishment we just went to. What I know is they're going to have Grease Night. We're not going to tell you when because they're almost sold out.
Yes, they have a sing-along. That's why we have Sandy behind Veronica here. We have our favorite version of Sandy, not hopelessly devoted to you, Sandy.
Yes.
And they're going to have a Grease Night sing-along. And yeah, I don't know if we're going to tell them the date.
Nope. But
Unless
I
they
know,
want to DM us, and then we can tell them the date.
Yes, DM will get you in. But we got to come back before July's over because I have to try this burger of the month. After the we had at the prior restaurant, there's no way I can eat anymore.
That does look really good.
It's a peach burger.
And this place...
onion.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you go.
No, you finish. You go.
That's it.
It's very hot today, but we managed to get some great shots. We started out at the listing. Then we were in downtown Gresham for a minute. We ate at Nicholas, which was fabulous. And then we decided to get the heck out of Dodge because we wanted to cool off in some nature.
Yes. I had no idea what we were about to do, and I don't think either one of us knew what we had committed to, but it was incredible.
That's right. And
I had never been up to Larch Mountain before.
I didn't either. And
I've done that hike.
It was one of the fabulous girls that work at was it the Corbett Country store? Yes. And so I said, well, what can we do? And she goes, why don't you just go up Larch Mountain? And you'll see everything. So you guys have already seen that, but that was such a treat. And
It was like 20 degrees cooler up there.
I know, it was amazing.
It was incredible.
And then from there, where did we go after that?
I shared with Lisa, we have a new beach in Oregon. My kids have been there. I haven't. Called Rooster Rock. Well, today I can say I went.
And it was fabulous. It was really beautiful. And I got some great shots, as you guys saw, of the water shimmering and then the cranes.
And we can't wait to come back with like water shoes and walk out. That sandbar goes almost out to the middle of the river. I can't wait for you guys to see these videos. It was just a great day exploring all the recreation available. Just not even 15 minutes from Gresham.
Yeah, it was.
All around here.
Right off 84. We ended up, as Veronica said, in this fabulous place called Spinellas, which is a bar and music venue and burger joint that's inside an old church.
Come see Tracy. She's fabulous.
Yes, Tracy's fabulous. And if you DM us, we'll let you know about the Grace sing-along. I'm Lisa Hildebrandt.
I'm Veronica Park.
And we love helping people just like you, whether you want to relocate to this fabulous city of Portland, Gresham, Lake Oswego, Newburgh, all the wonderful neighborhoods and boroughs that surround Portland Metro. And if you have any questions or anything about buying or selling in today's market, please reach out to us. We're happy to help you.
And I think we need to start a side business doing tour guides of just all the fun little out-of-the-way spots.
The hidden gems.
Yes. The hidden gems.
Yes.
Stay tuned. Copyright. Whatever that is.
That's it.
Okay, love you. Bye.